100% pure snake oil by Gadget Man. It's the real deal.
Hi, good morning or good afternoon, Ron. This is Kyle from Kyle McDonald from Smithville, Ontario, Canada. I have a 1999 GMC Yukon with a 5.7 liter engine. I've always had a rod knock on this thing. I've had from 333 kilometers. I have 485,000 kilometers. I've had from 333,000 kilometers, sorry, and I have 485,000 on it right now. Always had a rod knock on startup, especially in the cold. It would go away as it warmed up. I did an oil change about 2,500 kilometers ago. Dumped the old oil, put the 5 cc syringe of the SnakeOil in, and lo and behold, this thing hasn't been knocking for about 1,000 kilometers. And I've actually had it off the road. I got a newer Yukon, and I'm going to start it for the first time. It's been sitting in the driveway for 3 weeks. So all the oil is at the bottom. I got the key in. I'm going to put the phone, hang my head out, and we're going to listen for a rod knock. Let's see. We're cranking. Ron, the stuff works. The rod knock is gone. I am so amazed. I thought this thing was just sitting to wait to die, a rod come out the block one day. The rod knock is gone. I believe in this stuff. Apparently, you got a better formula coming out, and this is the old stuff, and it's done wonders. Believe in it. It works. Also put it in my 2005 Yukon I just got. Had a little bit of power steering squeal out of the pump. Put probably 5 little drops in. So 500 kilometers. She's all quiet. So the stuff works, man. Get it out there. Get it to the farmers. Get it to the people that care. Thanks a lot, Ron. You're awesome, man. And I keep on smiling. Have a great day. Thank you kindly, Ron. Bye-bye.
Order yours today at snakeoil.wtf. You'll be glad you did.